Hey, welcome to Cooking with Papa P. Dominic's not here today. He'll be here next week. Next week we're gonna make. We were talking about making steak pizzaiola. I believe we were gonna use ribeyes. Anyway, today I'm gonna make really a stick to your rib pasta dish. It's very unique. Its origins are controversial, and we'll talk about that later. But anyway, I'm gonna make spaghetti alla puttanesca. Yeah, it's very good. Anyway, let's get started. All right, we're gonna go ahead and chop up 3 large cloves of this fresh garlic here. If you don't have large cloves, 6 small cloves will work also. Go ahead and get these chopped up fine. Okay, we can get 1 small yellow onion. I'm gonna go ahead and dice these up. Dice them up as fine as you can. Alright, now I got 6 Roma tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and dice these up. I threw in a beefsteak tomato also. This is something that was getting overripe and I thought I'd use it. Anyway, go ahead and slice these up and remove the seeds. Now we're going to get a 28-ounce can of San Marzano whole pear tomato ready. We're going to go ahead and blend this up for about 10 seconds to do the trick. This tomato is going to give the sauce a very nice consistency, a very even flow of flavors. Alright, the pot is heated up. I'm going to go ahead and add a half a cup of olive oil. This is actually extra virgin olive oil. And now we're going to go ahead and add our onions and garlic and fry those up. Anyway, as I mentioned earlier, talking about the origins of where this sauce actually came from. One story is that a group of travelers went to a restaurant, I believe it was in Spain, that went at the end of the day, and the owner of the restaurant didn't have very many ingredients to make anything that he had on the menu, so he come up with this dish. The other story is that a group of prostitutes in Italy would make this dish because it had these unique aromas and it would draw in new clients. Whatever, wherever it came from, I love it. It's a really great sauce. Alright, let's go ahead and add a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 3 fillets of anchovy. We want these to dissolve as much as possible in the oil here. But guaranteed, these will be fully dissolved when the sauce is ready. This has such an incredible aroma. I think those prostitutes had something there. Alright, those anchovies are just about dissolved. Now let's go ahead and add these Roma tomatoes. Stir those around in there. Now I need to soften these tomatoes. These take a little long to cook than the canned tomatoes. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of capers. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a half a cup of Kalamata black olives. Stir those up. Let them cook. After about 2 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add the blended pear tomato. And then we're going to go ahead and just stir that around. And we're going to let this cook for about 30 minutes total. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to add about 8 to 10 fresh basil leaves. Go ahead and stir that in there. What I really enjoy about this sauce is that there's many ingredients, but there's not one that's overpowering the other. They infuse all together perfectly, which creates this distinctive bold flavor. Really, really enjoy it. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add the crushed red pepper. I add about a teaspoon, but you can add less or more, whichever you prefer. And then we're going to go ahead and stir that in there. And then I'm going to reduce the heat to a medium low and cover it. And be sure to stir this on occasion. Okay, now let's get that water going and start cooking that spaghetti. Oh yeah, this is coming together real nice. Oh my God, the smell is unbelievable. I wish you can smell this sauce right now. Very nice. All right, sauce is ready. Oh man, it smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and reserve about 3 scoops of this sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and top this on my spaghetti once we plate it. Okay, spaghetti's ready, cooked, drained. I'm gonna stir it in this pot here and let that spaghetti absorb all that sauce. This is a pound of pasta, so depending on how hungry you all are, you can feed anywhere from about 3 to 6 people. Okay, let's get this all stirred up. Ooh, that's piping hot. Very good. Sweet, savory, and a little bit of fire. It's a very, very good dish. I really enjoy this type of spaghetti dish here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Happy eating, and we'll see you again.